Here, I'm going to check my thinking versus your thinking. So what did we do? Well, I thought this was an inform. Author's purpose was inform. So I was informed. I learned about how Annie Sullivan helped teach Helen Keller how to read, spell, and all about the world around her. 2 to 3 key details. I got done 3. I thought these were really important ones. Annie Sullivan taught Helen Keller how to read and write, even though Helen was blind and deaf. Annie helped Helen in college and helped Helen become a teacher herself. Annie was Helen's teacher for 49 years and even taught her how to ride horses. So those definitely are some big, almost main ideas. The first one is basically the main idea for the whole book. And these other 2 were some pretty big things that Annie did. My 2 interesting things, kind of my 2 opinions. I think it's interesting and unfair that Sullivan isn't talked about more. It's kind of interesting that, people do talk about her, but that she should be talked about just as much as Helen Keller, in my opinion, because she helped Helen Keller start her whole life. And I think her teaching methods are interesting because they were so successful. And 1 to 2 wonderings, I wonder what Annie Sullivan did after she was done teaching Helen Keller. I wonder how Annie got the ideas and learned how to teach Helen so well. But remember, you're going to be reading your own biography today. Remember, choose a background person. So not who the book is about. Try to choose a background person. Then you're going to do your DLIQ about that person in your quiz. Have fun, and I'm so excited to read these later. Bye.